everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I will be making this cake topper using my new LOKLIK cutting machine. And a quick mini, very easy to follow tutorial on how I used the LOKLIK design app to make this cake topper. I have my LOKLIK design app open, and the first thing I'm gonna do is insert a shape. And I'm inserting this half circle, like an arch shape. And right here, make sure this is locked. And I'm just gonna change the width to 3.54. And then I'm going to duplicate it. And to do that, you could copy and paste or just use the shortcuts on your keyboard. And this one, I'm gonna unlock it and you want the height to be 7.36. And I'm gonna drag these next to each other. I'm gonna select both of the layers and I'm gonna copy and then I'm gonna paste them. And then the second one is going to be 5.94 inches high. All right, so select the first one, the taller one, and you're going to click align left and align top. Make sure it's fully aligned, and then combine and unite. And then do the same thing with the second one. First, make sure to align on top, align on the left, and then combine it. And now you have two arches. Copy and paste both of them. And I like to hide these layers. So now that you have these arches, you're gonna offset them. So we're gonna do an internal offset. I'm gonna do 15 and click apply. And do the same thing for the other one, internal offset, and do 15 and apply. If you move these, there's two of them. So you don't want to move them. You want to select the two shapes and you want to click combine and click slice. So now you have this arch, and this is what's going to be the gold part. And I like to just change the color so then I know what is it for. And then you're gonna select the other one and do the same thing and slice it, and then change this to the gold color, and that way you know what you need that for. So you don't need these anymore. You're gonna delete them, and then you have your originals. All right. Now to upload your images. So I have a link to all of them to my Dropbox. It's in the description below. It's everything you need for the cake topper. And all you have to do is just download it. Here's the arches. And the first thing you do, after you download all of them, make sure you download this one main image. And this is what you're going to be doing to this image. So you're going to go back to your app. You can move these off the mat for now, and then click upload. Just leave it as is, original. And I want you to make this image, make sure it's locked, and make the image width 9 inches. You will have to follow these shapes. Now this one, because you needed to print this image and cut it, you're gonna select this, print and cut. And then you're gonna click next. And this is what you're gonna do for all the images to print and cut. And then right here, see, this is where it will cut it. If it's too far, you click shrink, and now it's perfect, and click design. You are literally going to match it with the gold arches. Just make sure it's not bigger. It's gonna say group right here, and it has the image in the layer. Do not ungroup those, because this is what it will print, and then this is what it will cut. So keep that as is, as it is.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.